Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever started filing your taxes on Turbotax and realized something went wrong, maybe you entered incorrect info or chose the wrong filing status, you don't have to panic. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to start over on Turbotax and get a completely fresh start, step by step. Stick with me until the end so you can avoid common mistakes and file with confidence. Visit the official Turbotax website first. Open your browser and head to the official Turbotax website. Always make sure the URL is correct to avoid scams or lookalike sites. Sign into your account. In the top right corner, click Sign In, enter your username and password, then click Continue. This will take you to your main Turbotax dashboard where all your current tax information is stored. Find the Tax Tools section. Once you're signed in, look for Tax Tools. Depending on your screen size, you might see it in a left sidebar or in the top navigation menu. Click to expand the section, go to Tools under Tax Tools, select Tools. A new window or menu will open with several options. Choose Clear and Start Over. In that menu, you'll see an option called Clear and Start Over. This is the magic button that wipes out everything you've entered so far. Click it. Confirm your decision. Turbotax will warn you that all your data will be erased. If you're absolutely sure you want a fresh start, click Yes to confirm. After that, your tax return will reset as if you're filing for the very first time. Why use Clear and Start Over? Correct big errors. If you made a major mistake, like choosing the wrong filing status, it's much easier to start fresh than to hunt down every incorrect field. Fresh start for accuracy. Beginning from scratch ensures you don't carry over any old errors. Reduce stress. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by fixes, you can calmly re-enter everything with a clean slate. And that's it. Starting over on Turbotax is quick and painless when you know exactly where to click. If this guide helped you reset your tax return, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be stuck. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech and finance tutorials to make your life easier. Thanks for watching and happy filing.